Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. Welcome to Sunday's edition of the Pastelloween collab with Scrappassion01. If you haven't already hopped on the Saturday group, I definitely want you to check out the description box below. I have all of the names and YouTube channels of the collaborators, talented collaborators that have inspired Pastelloween themed projects for you to enjoy. We're going to be going on every weekend for the next 4 weekends and sharing with you some of our Pastelloween ideas. I will be doing a giveaway. I will be giving away some goodies. Overall, the theme of my 4 videos, the compilation of my videos will entail things that I will be putting in boo baskets. Boo baskets have been around for a couple of years now, and the first time I saw Scrap Diva 21 and Happy Mail Queen, they swapped boo baskets. I thought it was the cutest idea. So for this theme, for the next couple of weeks, I will be sharing with you all of the items that I will be putting inside a boo basket or a boo box for this year. So let's get started. For today's video, I went ahead and used my Cricut, and I created a compilation of different cards. This is one of the cards. I will leave in the description box below all of the Cricut design space cards that I pulled using my Access. I am a subscriber of Cricut Access, and these cute little cards were easy to duplicate, and I did multiples of it. When I use my Cricut, I do like to create multiples so that I can send out more than one Happy Mail. So this is one of the cards. It's super duper cute. For my base, I used a purple for the base, and then I had this really pretty sparkle black glitter paper that I picked up at Joann's a couple of years ago as a cut. And so it's a little silhouette of 2 young witches enjoying a little party under the chandelier. And inside, I used my Cricut to add the text, "Hello, beautiful friend." And I will write a little sentiment inside for anybody that I will be gifting this. So I created one in a little purple and one in a pink color. So that's my first card share. I also created this. This is a Happy Wicked Halloween of the 2 little shoes, the witch's boots inside. I don't have a little sentiment. I will write a little, I will back it with a white cardstock, but I used a lot of the glitter papers that I have in my stash. I didn't want to purchase too much because I wanted to craft my stash, so I did have this little ombre glitter paper that I thought was really a sweet way of capturing this Happy Wicked Halloween card. So I made 2 of these. This one's another Clean and Simple card. I used a base. It's like a shimmer paper base, and I cut it out and then added a little bit of some glitter cardstock to the back of the pumpkin faces. And it's really sweet, a sweet little card. There's no sentiment inside. I will most likely maybe look for a stamp to add a little sentiment inside. That's my 3rd set. These, I used also my glitter paper, and this is a party time card. Really cute with the little Black Widow. I will put a little red, probably a little red gemstone in the middle of this little spider. I just thought of it right now. I think that'll be cute. Or maybe a pink gemstone. So this is another card base. And then my favorite card that I found from the Cricut Access was this one. This is a really cute envelope and card set. It's a 5x7 card. It's a little bit bigger than the other cards. And I just used my cut and print. And if you look in the description box below, if you do have a Cricut, I will link all of the project shares. I posted it on the Cricut Design Space as a share. So you can just click on the link and it'll take you directly to my Cricut Design Space bookmarks as a share. And so I just used the glitter, the ombre glitter paper. It cut out these little boos, and what I did was I glued the inside of the boo onto the envelope itself. This is a print and cut of the liner for the inside of the envelope. And the little ghosty basically is down here saying boo. I don't have a sentiment inside, but I really love, this is one of my favorite of all of the cards. Let me know which one is your favorite card. And also, if you have stuck with me in this video, project share, if you do want to put anything in the comments below, if you put anything with the word boo in it, then you will be entered to win this card, this cute little card, an envelope, and I will add it to a boo basket as long as you're a subscriber and you leave a comment with the boo. So if you have enjoyed my video, please give me a like. I hope you will subscribe for additional videos to come. I enjoy crafting with my Cricut, and I have a ton of dies that I also craft with. If you are going to be joining the next person on the hop, be sure to click on Shaniqua Lala's Creations 12's link in the description box below, and I will see you next week. Stay spooktacular, everyone.